Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we'll make a very tasty mixed vegetable rice. For that I have taken 1 cup of rice. Wash the rice 2 to 3 times and add 2.5 cups of water to it and keep it in a pressure cooker. I have taken 1 cinnamon stick, half a star anise, 1 cardamom and 3 cloves. Add all the spices to the rice and cook it with 2 to 3 whistles. I have taken 100 grams of cauliflower, 1 potato, 10 green beans, 1 carrot, and I have cut them to small pieces and boiled them in water with some salt. The vegetable should not be mashed, it should be soft. Only then it will be very nice when it is added to the rice. I have cut 1 piece of ginger and 2 green chillies to fine pieces. I have taken half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. I have cut 1 onion to small pieces. In a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil and add the cumin and fennel seeds. When they splutter, add the cut green chillies and ginger and saute for a minute and add the cut onions to it. Saute the onions. Keep it on medium flame. I have taken about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and cut them to long pieces. Add the garlic and fry the garlic and ginger till it is aromatic. I have taken half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of sambar powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. When the onion and garlic are aromatic, add the powders to it, saute for a minute and add the cooked vegetables. The cooked vegetables should be sauteed for about 5 to 6 minutes. I have added half a teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste and saute for 5 minutes and then add the cooked rice and add coriander leaves. Mix well. I have added half a teaspoon of salt for the rice. You may add salt as per your taste. This is a very tasty rice. It's very good for lunch box. Everyone will like it. Do try this rice and enjoy it and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe, press the bell icon and choose the all option and you will get notification for all the videos that I post. You can try the recipes, enjoy it and comment without fail, so that it's a great support for my channel. I'm sure everyone will like this and definitely comment. Let's meet in the next video.